We are given in a rhombus, if the length of one diagonal is increased by m% and the length of the other diagonal is decreased by m%, the area of that rhombus is decreased by 25%. Then we ask to find the value of m. Okay, the first thing we'll do here is let's get the area first, the formula for the area. So we know that for the area of, okay, let's just denote, the area be A and the diagonals be D1 and D2 respectively. So we know that area is always half D1 times D2. That's area of any rhombus. So, but they say they increase the diagonal by m% and decrease by the second one by m%. So we are saying that the new diagonal now, when it is increased by m and decreased by m, is now, so let me use D after, is now, remember, increased by m% means the first one plus m% of D1. Yes, increased by m% of the original, so which is now D1 plus, this is 0.0, because m% means m over 100, so 001 m D1, so which is D1 1 plus 0.01 m. So do you see the logic? So that's it. Why? Remember, okay, let's call it D after 1. That's D after the second diagonal is now dA2. Is decreased by m%, which is now D2 minus m% of D2. So which is D2 minus 0.01 m D2. So which is D2 bracket 1 minus 0.01 m. So that's that's after decreasing by m%. So remember the area again, the area after is now, they say the area is 25%. So what we have here is now the original area minus 25% of A, which is A minus 0.25 A, which is A bracket 1 minus 0.25 is 0.75 A. So we have 0.75 A. So this is now the area after the decrease. So to find the area now, so we know that therefore the area now is 0.75 A. So we have 0.75 A is now equal to half D1. This is the D after the decrease is now D1 1 plus 0.01 m times D2 1 minus 0.01 m. So do you get that's half times the product of them. So we have 0.75 A equals half half d1 d2, half d1 d2 times 1 plus 0.01 m times 1 minus 0.01 m. So as you can see, half d1 d2 is a, so we have 0.75 a equals a times 1 plus 0.01 m times 1 minus 0.01 m. So as you can see, something can go, a can cancel out, so we have 0.75 equals 1 plus 0.01 m times 1 minus 0.01 m. So as you're looking at this difference of two squares, as you can see, so this is 1 squared minus 0.01 m squared. This is 0.75. So as you can see, this goes over to here to 0.01 m all squared equal to 1 minus 0.75, and 1 minus 0.75 is 0.25. So the square will go, so we have square root of 0.25. This is 0.01 m, and square root of 0.25 is 0.5. It implies that m is now 0.5 over 0.01, which is 50. So our m is 50. Our answer is option D. So our answer is option D.